This is our project Connect Together. So our aim is to connect the two entities, the NGOs and the normal individuals that are willing to come together and help the society develop. So when a user wants to register as a normal individual, the basic details are being asked and we ask them how they want to serve as, like they want to serve as a volunteer, a donor or both, and the domain they are interested in. Similarly, we ask the NGO also the same things and then we can recommend both to connect. Now here as an NGO they have to also enter the proof of the organization which will be verified by the admin, and once it is verified then only the NGO can proceed further and enter the further details that are what they need for their organization, like volunteer, donor, and again the domain that they work in. So I'll now log in as a user. So when I log in, this is how the home page looks like. So here on the left part, there is a small detail of the user that is currently logged in. And in here we can post a picture, a video or an article. I'll post one. I'll post later. Now this is the connection section. Here in the first part, these are the requests that are being sent to me, and here I can send requests to others. So I can click on connect and send request to some other person. Here when now for now the number of connections are 2 and when I accept it becomes 3, and now this user is my connection and I can see that user's post. Now this I just now connected with this and I can see their post. Now recommendations I already told, based on the parameters that they enter during registration we recommend them to connect. Notifications, the notifications are being displayed in this section. We can go on our profile and see what are our connections. These are my 3 connections. Then this is what I entered during registration, and also we can add our past experiences. We can post from here, and these are my posts which are being displayed here. And then this is the edit part where I can edit my profile. Like for example, if I edit the location and save it, and again if I go to my profile, now the location has been updated. Similarly all other details can be updated. Now I can search a particular user, like for example I search a user that is already on our website. So if I go to view profile, it will show me connected because this user is my connection. And then if I search a user that is not on our site, it tells me no results found. Now on the post I can like and comment. So I'll comment one. Now the comment is being displayed. So I'll post one picture. I'll post a random one. So now this post has been successfully posted, and then that can be viewed again in this section which I posted just now. So this was when a user logs in. Now I'll show the admin section. So first of all, this is the dashboard. Then approve or decline our organization. As I already told, the NGOs have to enter the proof of the organization which will be verified by the admin. So when the admin clicks on view, he'll be able to see the proof of the organization that has been entered. So then that can be approved or declined. When it is approved, the organization can continue with the process. If it is declined, it will be deleted from our system. And then the admin can delete a user, view the complaints, and add a new domain. So this complaints section can be seen here. Like when I go on complaint, I can file a complaint for someone and then necessary action can be taken after verification of it. So yeah, this was our whole idea where we are connecting the two entities so that this is a platform where organizations of all domains can come together, and even the individuals don't have to find on particular individual websites in which they want to serve as. They can come on this common platform and connect with any NGO that they want to. Also it is verified by the admin, so it is secure. So yeah, thank you.